Hey, good morning, folks. Welcome to the MDM Minute. So today is we're going to talk quickly about care for your IM bracelet. Now, there is no coating on these bracelets, okay? And if you own a HFA Mini, you'll know that that particular product is designed to attract negativity, and it will go black within hours of being around a population center, or depending on the amount of negativity that is there. These do not. Okay, these attract positive energy. Okay, the way the physical mechanics work, the way the energy flows through the copper and the silver bands, they're designed to attract good energy, depending on what the mantra is. And there is no coating on here, so they're going to tarnish. Okay, not at the rate, not even close at the rate of the HFA Mini, but they will tarnish. And you know, in videos past, the past couple years that we've been doing with the HFA Mini, you know, I've learned a lot of ways and had a lot of great feedback from people on how to clean it. The best method I found for this particular product and the HFA Mini is simply a Mayflower jewelry cloth. Okay, it takes a couple minutes to work it, the tarnish around it, but I got to tell you, folks, it literally returns the IM bracelet to a pristine state. It's absolutely amazing. Now, this particular one, this is a prototype of IM Energy. I've been wearing this probably 3 or 4 months now, and I've cleaned it probably a half a dozen times. I had this on vacation with me around salt water, so it got tarnished pretty quickly. I wear it everywhere. I wear it to the gym. I don't recommend wearing these in water. Okay, water has a lot of chemicals in it that might hurt, you know, the luster or the shine. And again, these are made from the purest copper and silver commercially available. And the reason I don't want to mix these with other metals to keep that luster there is really for two reasons. Because you're dealing with conscious creation, okay, the very act of starting that communication link, talking to your IM bracelet, and the very act of cleaning it is showing it love. And when you give something love, or you give it that high vibration, it comes back to you. And you know, when you're purchasing a spiritual piece of technology, you're obviously a little bit outside, or you're very well within your comfort zone. And so communicating with these particular devices and showing them love by cleaning them really isn't that far of a stretch if you are purchasing one. So again, the Mayflower jewelry cloth is by far the best product that I found that cleans these relatively quickly. The second part, which is the inner cloth, just gives it a very lustrous shine, returning it to that beautiful original state. And unlike other jewelry cloths I use, there is no oily residue that needs to be cleaned even beyond that. So again, conscious, communication, showing it love by cleaning it, and your IM bracelet will be good to go for years to come. Thanks, folks. Have a great day.